Hey guys, today is Monday, August 10th, 2015. I am shorting the New Zealand dollar, or selling, I should say. I am bearish on this. It looks like we just broke a trend line that I've been watching here. As you can see here, we put in a low, had a nice reversal, sold off, put in a higher low, and same thing just a few minutes ago, we sold off, and I was looking for a bounce off of this. I was able to scalp a bit, took a few pips here, but it looks like we have broken that now, so I am bearish now, and you can see here at my sell, this is where I got filled at 65527. So let's see if this could give us a nice little sell-off. I am currently up 2 pips. Let's see here. I think I'll take my profit. We'll set it right there at 65374. See if we could get a quick sell-off here on this bar. Now we have made a new low. We did break the low here. This low, once we made this quick bounce here, but like I said, we have broken this low, so I am looking for some more downside on this. Let's take a quick look at the 60-minute time frame, or the 1-hour chart. It's a beautiful sell-off, and looks like she's going now. Let's go back to the 10-minute. There we go. And again, I am looking for this to bounce off of this area here. You know what? I think I'll just lock in some gains here. At 65461, I'm currently up 3 pips. Just a quick trade. See if we can get filled here. Up 4 pips. Looking for about 5 pips. There we go. And that's it. It looks like I sold too quick. Yep. Yeah, that was my original target, but we should see a nice bounce here. In fact, I should probably go long, but no, I think I'll just stand by here. So just real quick, and this is live. This is again, today's date is Monday, August the 10th. It's about 7:47 p.m. where I'm at. So what you guys just saw is the New Zealand dollar break this trend line and give us a nice quick bounce off of this little level here. Um, not, it's not perfect, but you can see why it's bouncing here. So should this retest this trend line up here, I will short again, or I will sell this, I should say. Let's take a quick look here at the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, very nice reversal here on the 4-hour candle. Believe it or not, this could come back and retest this much longer term down trend line here that I've got drawn here. As you all know, recently the New Zealand dollar did break out above that trend line, although it is looking a little weak now. This is a definite reversal here, so again, you can see why it's bouncing here around this general area here. This thing should come back and retrace, maybe retest this trend line. Should that happen, I will jump back in on the short side. Yeah, it would have been a nice gain there for me if I had held. see here. Yeah, about 14 pips. Let's take a quick look here at the daily chart. One thing to keep in mind is as long as the New Zealand dollar does not make a new low, or I should say, as long as today this doesn't make a lower low than this candle here, this is still bullish. I hope that made sense. You can see the low here on, let's find out. This candle here is August 6th, and the low was 65291.65291. As long as that low holds on the daily, this is still bullish. Although this is looking weak, looking very weak. So here we go. Let's see if we can get a retrace back up here. And if that does happen, I will short this. I'll put my order in. All right. Let's see if we can get filled here at 65521. Now I could go long because I am expecting a move up, but I'd rather wait and be patient and let this thing bounce. Just go a little bit lower. New entry at 65512. Nice little bounce off of that level. Again, this low could be acting as a double bottom, but this is a very nice sell-off. So must be some news or something. All right, so while I wait, let's take a quick look at the euro dollar here. This is the 10-minute time frame. This is looking bearish. In fact, I may just take this trade. You can see this this sold off, came back, retrace up to the 50. I'm sorry, that's the 20-day moving average. Yep, and this could come back down here. I could take both of these trades, but I'd rather just do one at a time. I still have my order in here for the New Zealand dollar. I think I'll just keep this one here. Just go a little bit lower. At 65507. Let's see if how the euro dollar is doing. Let's check out the daily. You can see here on the daily chart, Euro USD is having a hard time breaking this trend line here. So on the daily, it looks fine. I think it's still bullish on the daily. On the 4-hour time frame, it's definitely bearish. On the hourly time frame, this is looking bearish also. And on the 10-minute, this is looking bearish. Got the New Zealand dollar here, waiting for that final push up. I really want to take this trade right now. Nope, never mind. I am seeing some minor support here on the euro dollar here. You can see before it sold off, this was resistance here for quite a bit of time here until it finally broke out. And here it is again, retesting that previous resistance level. Let's go back to the New Zealand dollar here. Just a little bit more. So I want to make sure I get in this. Let's go 65499. I'm really liking this trade here. That's the euro dollar back to New Zealand dollar. Now, should this come back and retest that trend line here now from the underside, this could trade down here. So I'll get rid of this line here. I don't want too much. I don't want too much going on here. Let's get rid of that. So again, this has broken this uptrend line. Third bounce failed. Was a nice quick bounce here, but as you can see here, this thing continued to sell off, and now we are waiting for a retrace back up to this level before continuing its move back down towards, I'd say 65 200, that range here. So about 2 more minutes to go on this candle. We'll see if the second candle we could get a nice pop up. Like I said, I do think this could come back up here. Let's do that one more time here. But I'm okay if I get filled here. We'll just keep this video rolling. Let's check back on the euro dollar here. So this is pulling back. It is looking weak. This should be support, technically speaking, but the way this is looking here, you can see here this purple line, the 200-day moving average. Currently, that's the 200-day moving average. Right now that sits at 1.09793. This is looking weak. This is not a strong bounce. About one more minute to go. We'll get the new candle. We'll see if we can get filled here at 65,499. Nope. Let's see what the euro dollar looks like. So this should start to pull back here. Maybe one more visit up here before pulling back. Let's see if I can get filled here at 65499. Just a little bit more. This is an inside bar pattern. So this is a bearish pattern that I'm looking to play out. Alright, I am canceling my order and I am trading the euro dollar. I am going short here. Looks like it got filled at 1.09761. You can see my order right there. This could still move up, but I'm not liking what I'm seeing here. It is looking much weaker than I was expecting. If the euro dollar falls, so will the New Zealand dollar. As you can see here, these currencies are trading alike. As you can see, big move up, followed by a move down. And on the New Zealand dollar, big move up, followed by a move back down. So now we are watching the euro dollar, euro USD. Let's take a quick look here at the 60-minute time frame. So we do have this new candle that just started at 8 p.m., which is current time right now. So let's go ahead and put in our profit, our sell order here on the euro dollar here. So we'll take some profits. We'll just set it there for now. So we're at 1.09640. So this is the hourly time frame. Let's take a quick look here at the 4-hour time frame. So again, you could see this big downtrending line that the euro dollar is having a hard time breaking. So we'll see what happens here. Let's switch back to the 10-minute time frame. That's my preferred time frame. So right now I'm up about 2 pips. Not bad. I am expecting the 200-day moving average, which is this purple line, to act as resistance now. As you can see here, that's what it did here, here. So previous support, we had a quick bounce here, is now resistance on this. So I'm up about 1 pip. I'm looking for 10 to 12. Looks like I'm break even now. We'll look back at the New Zealand dollar. So far, doing what I said it'd do. But I wasn't patient, so I went ahead and took the trade on the euro dollar. Yeah, this is looking weak here. Should just take this trade also, but I'd rather just stick to one. You can see here the 200-day moving average, which is this purple line here, is acting as resistance right now. Here's what the daily chart looks like. Let's take a quick look here at the weekly. Yeah, the weekly is looking bearish on this. Wow. You can see on the weekly this red line, which would be the 20-day moving average on the weekly chart, is acting as major resistance on this. Yeah, weekly this is bearish. On the daily it's still bullish, but on the weak side. You can see this thing keeps hitting that 200-day moving average here. Looks like it's struggling though. Let's check back on the New Zealand dollar here. Yeah, so it could be another half hour to maybe even an hour before this thing comes back up here. So I think I'll pause the video now. I'll stay in this trade here until I sell it. I think I'll leave it there. Yeah, so I'm looking for about a 10 pip gain on this trade here. Nothing too crazy. Again, 200-day moving average acting as resistance. I don't like that, so I may just take a loss here. See if the New Zealand dollar is bouncing. Yep. Now, this could make a move back up here, so I'm going to be careful here. And yep, I'm going to take this off. All right. So maybe we do get a bounce. So I think I'm going to go long now. Order filled. It's important to be able to adapt to the market change here. Um, I was bearish, but this is an engulfing bar now, so hey, maybe this will give us a bounce after all. As you guys can see here, the New Zealand dollar is making a nice move back up. So it's been about 30 minutes, 10, 20, 30 here, but looks like, yeah, this thing might reach its level here a lot sooner than I thought. So let's see if I can make a quick trade here. I am up about 1 pip or so. See if we can get a quick pop on the euro dollar. Make up for small loss I took just now. Yep, there we go. And I'll take it. Let's go back to the New Zealand dollar and we'll see if we could, I think I'll take the trade here. We'll sell this one. About there. All right. Order filled at 65526. Yeah, this is happening a lot faster than I thought, but like I said, it's important to be able to know how to move when the market moves. So the market moves a different direction, you just go with it. Just ride the wave. Now this is an inside bar pattern. Should this play out, we should come back down here and retest this low. So I'll put my take profit mark right about there. There we go. So I'm currently up about 1 pip on this trade now. Let's go back to New Zealand or the euro dollar here. There we go. Up 2 pips now. 2.5. 3. I'm looking for 10 pips, although I may just take my profit here. Yep, locking it in. I don't always just wait for my targets. Once I do see some profit, I will take it. I don't mind jumping back in. As you all know, I just took some profit on this. I do have my finger on the trigger here. I may reset, reshort here. All right, I'm back in. Now let's put our order take profit down here again. Yeah, you can see the euro dollar pulled back. Um, but as you guys saw earlier, I was able to make a quick profit here after getting stopped out, or after taking the loss. I'm sorry. Back to New Zealand dollar, looking for a quick trade on this again. And break even right now. It's a really nice pattern here, guys. I don't mind taking profits early, as you can see. Now this could move back up here and retest this bar high. Um, that would still be bearish. Should this break this bar's high, should be about right here, then that would be a failed bearish pattern. Now I may buy some more, I may sell some more here. All right, you didn't see it, but I did pick up a bit more on the short side. You can see a nice move up here on the euro dollar. So yeah, this looks like it maybe will give us a bounce after all, which means that the New Zealand dollar may go up with it, although I think it's looking weak. Now since this is bouncing, if I could get a quick trade off of the New Zealand dollar, I will. I'll just close that out for a quick gain here. Let's see what this thing could give us. All right, I'm up about half a pip here. Not a lot. All right, I think I'm going to take my profit here. It's only a pip. Hey, but every pip adds up. Just a little bit more down. Come on. A little bit more. A little under a minute before this candle ends. There we go. All right, I think I'm going to take my profit here. Yep. All right, I'm out. So as you guys can see, I'm just doing nothing more than scalping, in and out, in and out. Make sure and lock in those gains. Now if this does test up here, if this does make a move up here, I will go in a little bit bigger. But for now, I'm okay. I think I've taken like about 10 trades here in the last couple minutes, so I may take a break. Yeah, euro dollar looks like it wants to retest this level up here. And the New Zealand dollar is pulling back. And remember, guys, I said inside pattern, a move up. Didn't get here just perfect to the trend line, but close. Nothing's perfect. Breaks the trend line, comes back, revisits the previous support, which is now resistance, and it gave us a nice pullback intraday. But yeah, this looks like it wants to make a move up here. Looks like the euro dollar is making a move up here, and it looks like it's going to drag the New Zealand dollar with. So I could go long here. I may. In fact, considering going long now. I think I'll leave it alone. Yeah, this is giving us a nice bounce here. Let's take a look at the 60-minute time frame. Yeah, nice engulfing bar. Although keep an eye on this line here. That's the 20-day moving average at 1.09908. The 20-day moving average. Even though this is engulfing right now, technically, the candle's not over, but there's some resistance up here. Let's take a quick look here at the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, nice bounce. This 4-hour candle has engulfed this candle here, so make note of that. Let's go back to the 10-minute. Let's see how this bounce is looking. Yep, looking good. And New Zealand dollar looks like it's holding steady here, so I may take a quick trade here with a tight stop. Yep, let's do it. All right, we're in. So I've got my stop in place, so I want to set that really, really tight. I think I'll set it up. Let me wait for it here. For now, I'll keep it here right at the body of this candle here, this 10-minute candle. Now, let's make sure and put in our take profit line before I forget. Just in case, I'm looking for a quick trade here. So I'm looking for about 5 pip gain, but I don't mind taking my profits sooner. Just move it up a bit. Now I want to set my stop loss here, but just want to keep my eye on it for now. Now again, this is still a bearish pattern, but you guys got to know when you could take a quick scalp long or short, even though the overall pattern is still bearish. Now I'm down about half a pip. Come on, let's see if this could bounce. Let's go, let's go. The bounce on the euro dollar is slowing down here, but it's still intact. You can see now it recaptured the 200-day moving average. So it was trading below it, acting as resistance until it broke out here, and now it's acting as support. So we'll see if this thing could give us a bounce and drag this New Zealand dollar with. All right, I'm down. I'm at break even now. Yeah, I may take a break after this trade here. Whether I lose or make money. All right, so I'm at break even now. Looks like she wants to go here. 4 more minutes. I'm at break even. Down half a pip now. Okay. All right. I don't like that. Let's see what this thing could do for us. Come on. Three more minutes to go. Let's see how the euro dollar is doing. It's holding up. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. I'm down 2 pips now. I think I would have been stopped out by now had I put my stop at the low. So I'm just monitoring this candle here. I've got about 2 more minutes to go before the third candle starts. So maybe that one will give us a nice move up towards this area here. So we'll see. About 1 more minute to go. Let's see if this euro dollar could keep bouncing up. She looks like she wants to go. Euro dollar holding up well. All right, I'm back at break even. All right, as you can see, this thing made a higher high than the previous candle, so that's a good sign, to me at least. So we're at break even. Let's see if what I said is true. So I'm looking for a move up here. I may just take some profits as soon as I see it. Here we go. That's a nice pattern here. Nice little bullish flag here on the Euro USD. So that should bring the New Zealand dollar up with it. Or whether it's this one that drags the other one with, it doesn't matter to me. I'm just looking for to make some profit here. All right, we're up about half a pip now. Let's see if we could get 5 pips out of this. 4 or 5 I'd be happy with. Let's see. They'll add up. Yeah, looks like she wants to wake up. Come on. See if we can make a new high here on this candle. Just a little bit more. Got my finger on the trigger here, ready to sell. I'm only up about a pip. I'm not really liking this, but let's see here. Come on. All right, I'm out. So I didn't have a big position here, just keeping it small. I broke even on that trade. All right, guys, I'm going to take a quick break here, and we'll be back later today. Just thought I'd shoot a video. Just hopefully that was fun for you guys. Maybe you learned something. I will try to upload more videos, maybe some more live trading. Send me an email if you're interested in trading with me. Um, I have moved on to trading Forex. I'm not really trading a whole lot of options, not a whole lot of stocks lately. I'm messing around with this Forex market, and so far so good. All right. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and thank you guys for watching. I know it's a long video, but thanks. Have a good night.